Whether you're an architect, engineer, or working in construction, AutoCAD is the #1 software powering teams worldwide. With AutoCAD, design 2D drawings or 3D models with precision and efficiency. Hi, I'm Sean Bryant, an Autodesk certified instructor, an expert elite with over 34 years of industry experience. Whether you're just starting out with using AutoCAD for the first time, or you want to get more familiar with one of the robust AutoCAD toolsets, this is for you. From the basics of drawing a line to designing manufacturing plants, we'll cover it all. I'll lead you step by step through navigating the interface, collaborating with teammates, customizing workspaces, and ensuring your designs meet industry standards. We'll go over expert tips and tricks I've learned along the way to get you ramped up in no time. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.